The North Shore, depending on traffic, is only about an hour drive from town, but it seems like a world away, and it takes the right type of doctor and clinic to serve this country's community.
Lucky for Laie, the country doctor is in, and the Castle Health Clinic of Laie is expanding services to meet the growing needs. The North Shore is truly one of a kind, from special food you only get while on the North Shore to the community. But sometimes when there's a medical emergency, people just don't want to drive up to the windward side to go to Adventist Health Castle there, but that's okay. There's one man they all come to see, the country doctor. We're here at the Laie Clinic today with Dr. Mark Schachter. Thanks for having us out.
Oh, well, thank you, Tanya.
All right, the country doctor, 49 years serving this community. What is that like?
Well, it's been an exciting 49 years, and I saw a movie many years ago, Gidget Goes Hawaii, and that's what kind of brought me to the community, and, you know, I've loved it ever since.
And you've been helping babies who've now raised their own babies. You must have such a connection to this community and all the patients and people who've become like Extended Ohana.
I've seen, you know, patients from birth to grave and everything in between, and it's been very rewarding for me to get involved with the community and in all aspects.
Tell me about the services you provided to people, I'm sure, the football team, patients, their families.
Yeah, so for many years it was kind of like an urgent care here. We took care of everything. You didn't know what was going to be next. I actually delivered 3 babies that were not planned in the office. One in my driveway at home, and so you actually become part of the community. And
since this clinic opened here in 2015, what have you been able to expand to offer?
Okay, well, this is a very modern clinic. Everything is up to date, has a lot more than I had to offer in my little shack when I started. We now have full OB services, all the prenatal care and diagnoses. The deliveries are referred to Castle, but we could do ultrasound, and we have several nurse practitioners and OB-GYN doctors and myself.
Saving the drive to have to go out to Castle in Kailua. Right. Time is critical. I'm sure there have been instances where that's made all the difference.
Right. A lot of people, you know, are reluctant to drive to Honolulu, and they figure, well, I'll give it one more day to see if I'm better, or I'll give it 2 more days. But now here's a way of shortening the waiting 2 more days. They could just come in here and get an opinion. We always fit people in, and there's no long waiting period for appointments. If they want to be seen, we'll fit them in that day.
And you've been seeing them for 49 years. We
Right.
understand there are some new services and expansion planned here. Can you tell us about what's going to be offered?
Yes, very soon we're going to have an ear, nose, and throat specialist. Will be coming here regularly, as well as a psychiatrist and a gastroenterologist. So that'll all make things more accessible to everybody.
Dr. Schachter was my first doctor when I was at Kahuku. I believe he was still there to, I think, last year or so. Then he finally said, hey, I got to take a break. So he probably retired from that, but he's still been my doctor for almost as far as I can remember. So if I try to hide anything from him, it won't work. He knew me for way too long. So, you know, a lot of doctors, they come and go. Other doctors, they come in, they help out, but then, you know, eventually they move on. I'm 46 now. I knew this guy since I was 14. It's a very unique thing to have a doctor that's so invested, not just for the individual or the patient's welfare, but to be invested in the community, to give back to the community, to even work at the high school when he didn't have to, really. Basically, the country doctor is literally the treasure we out here really wish we had all over the world. But, you know, it's something that's unique to strictly not just Hawaii, but also to the North Shore.
We had a great time visiting the country doctor, Dr. Mark Schachter, and he's such a little celebrity there that we had lunch next door at Laie Chop Suey. Their Schachter special on the menu. It's one of the healthier options. He says, look, we're a doctor. Can you put a nice veggie noodle dish on there? And so
That's
that
cool.
there. Yes, but he's seen patients go on to do Super Bowl, been there for that, and really just bonded with his community since moving here from Ohio.
Love his smile. Seems like a great guy. And apparently his patients love going back to him.
And they are expanding services, so a good service right there, and not having to drive. You know when the time is critical to make the hour-long drive or more into town is tough.
Yep, good stuff. All right, thanks, Tanya. All right, could the snooze button be a thing of the past?